Donkokrom MA Primary School. School no office. Primary 1 to 6 among office no. Na busuafo hwe from house nsu to na books no nyina afọ. Isan se nsu no etimi hwane afa enwie no mu na ahyehyɛ office no. Officer, headmaster ene na pamfo eden koda ne books egu mu no. Nti so wo hwe ha ye classroom block. Class 4 for classroom. Patase ena mo frɛ yegu. Sa pata yasia na mode adan amode bi adane office mu books medical etwa de mam no. Yesre wona woka bia eba mu na wona woka bia eyi. So bia mbo no homoden na omla meboa.
All right, mami kwa homa no so na me ne Ira Honorable Alfred Obeng MP bibia na anwa so bekwai na yebeda na se because penny tia ne nechi kakra wo USA Washington nanso so ye ka se pese ne kasa na ne ma ho donti waje penny no endi kan adana se Honorable Alfred Obeng me mo achia no pay.
Yeah, Major Sonia.
Acha me pa na USA at this time abobe no 9 crown ye nya ne wo enso so bibia na anwa so be kwa fonti no waje pene wada ma Donkokrom MA Primary bomu ye didi nkomo omode omo classroom be to ye nim tiebu se mu ana chese eye wakache me ma producer send video ni ma wada roma won saka acha wada roma won saka.
Hello.
Hello, Honorable Temenka.
Sompa FM.
Yeah, right.
But Omanhene Yaw na wada Roma.
Let me chill.
Okay. Ebenya Etino
by Mumpenny your member of parliament
Donkokrom. Kwabra, this is it now. I'm even extremely happy, sir. Honorable, he's in the USA as I speak with you now. Only a chinkomo. The bomb on the air say Kibenya no WhatsApp video cry. Say Inya no senior Benyano audio now because the audio is giving us a lot of this thing. Kwabra, I are a hosem. By Donkokrom, Mr. Moya Moncheki. And yet Donkokrom MA Primary. I war Bibiani and Yasu Bekwai.
Atoye mantem.
Ose.
Atoye
mantem. And you may say by Anna Homety. Maybe just say, baby, Omutana Suya no cry. Maybe Omutana Suya no. Makeshift structures here on my okay. Until you there, you try now on the destiny. Now, you share. Meaning, say, or no, dear, ye dear to the name we, Abia or the Osebe Yamai. Honorable Wadar Mountain.
Yeah, me too.
Now, Pacho, me producer Bright or send the video be my one saka.
I'm in my chef.
Oh, Wadaroma, na Adea Akye Abia to a far one when you are not a more friend to me and your baby SC. Meaning, say, be a metal when him a fair now bentino. Dear Wadaroma, bit my alpha one dear boy.
Yes, right. Said you, what can I mean? Who, sir? Picture cried that. Cecilia said, Mofidi Suni Munuma Panti. Mama Mensakan. Meba weekend inti. Meba, but I dear cratching. Mefre MC na Minina din Como. That ya share say via emergency ya a crime penny a bit to me afaso. yet to me a more classroom block we be na dear no so to nchenya we sign out forward video so ama education ministry minister responsible for education na also Adea Akye na di hon komo enti yes I feel say the place is not conducive for teaching and learning enti ye be too one among said ye be ya academic year almost be starting somewhere September na bia ye to me otu anamon akoyanim kakra sisi ade aben enso if he say etumi hye bibia se a ebe hye mofra ni nkura ma omuso hu se ampa omumpa yinifo edwen omo ho it any problem. I don't see this as a problem because me no ma bebre e wo mansino unfortunately ye mansino eso enti no ema uwie ha no na ha nso ejurigu but nkakra ye be koyanim.
All right, honorable menim say what to anamon the audio se be yona ye be jaw na oba weekend so a ye nso be di akire ne no atwetwe nkoma na ministry no so apamo na makabom na ye meye timenya ba bi ti anopai ye be da wase
yo eso me da masi be
okay honorable Alfred Obeng enra ye di juma wa ha eye kawasem jumadie ena video we kwabena ebae na asefem nti ye said be ya na ma forward me comedy can forward ama aduchum ma forward back so ama Dr. Kansa GS Director General DG ena me ma producer so forward de ma you Alfred Obeng samre ye ne ka say ukọ Washington abo no nso apam ne ho abo be no mienu o. It's about 2:52 about 5 hours and yet he uttered say on near the kasana because he a video no drew baby any anwia so be kwaya ne manfo a omo bottom of to abama no why they for his response we obi akobeka so tu kwan wada enti no ma me enjeje no kra wo kra o fi umpo we chere say anwia baby any anwia so be kwaya mo obi a ujina manemu a wo di juma soma mo because kwabra nje easy o America 2 a.m. now over free MP now over fan phone side. I think he deserves an applause and he has done well. But yeah na enema we no e then I do maybe so a hinta sa
enema me no nka mbeba hoyi on say na kwa bibi te say ba bia obia wo as headmistress and as headmaster no or sonson no protecting the position so do ani adi nema bi achi ye pa anti ade no sei kura no a na se bro na ho oden so a obeba public abeka no na usuru ade and we are some similar incidents e wo wada so SD has me producer ko ho erosion take place e wo school na singina na e dan no e hange ye ko headmistress no uhu camera no o balance on pese camera na kura beto no so e mo ka kire se wo sere ye nya botre on say as o protect position no
so and we say bibi say no we headmistress and our head teacher na wo boss wa na ye nya utrimu kan
yes
say say woman aban animals why should that be
yes sa na nam wo konkronkuma no wo ho pa we say wo de hwe say the school ni sitie bibi ti say janan bia ene ba bia nkwa no ebe bia be di agro kra
na we ko school feeding kra me yeso say bi o
you see
nya dia nkwala hu didi
so enti serious ena nkwala no so ade ba kwa nyankopon ya ne ho wanwa ne say sa nkwala e wo school mo be kwa na bia o maben no oh sa nyankopon ya na ade o ya akora we se wonya ba bi kakra bi kura gina onya ba bi kakra bi gina ya na hadwen o say ko nkronkuma no
Where staff common room.
I need a bomb by Bibiano.
The Hanamana teacher for staff common room.
We mini parliament. So, Menti, also, who come Kuman. Adea Akye Abia crisis school no dance on say. Ya na mpempi na wo fo no mutaahisia
Sompa
ebra no mutaahisia no mafa school no ho adwene na se na ka me akwa say PT ahoden no ase wo form looking at the position of this school now ka say bia PT no nkambom no omnya bibia emma
a form okra no
omutumi anwea no kra and I want say ade ba ko no say sa wo class na ba ko a uhunu ade teacher ni ba ko so kire wo class ho into automatically distraction
na ba ko bia e de ba no e wo
last em say
enkranza ho baby
touch my life ho baby no
touch man de no classroom no schools no class 2 class 3 class 4
ebom
and a boom and a 2 no class 2 for any hesi
na we say
and a class 3 for em so many and a class 4 for 20 teacher for ni nyina kira de boom and nkwala no tienti akra na so be akodi class 3 ho no tie
enti
Jesus Christ
enti direct ho no say no yomu obi a obehwe ngoma sua so ho
omo circuit supervisors a omo call round
yes enti report
omo district officers
enti report
to be no omo so dia call
report let say
district
and teachers are ewo sukum ho no minim ba bia omo te but school we ebia ne teacher ni bia ante ba bia school no ho no
David
omo free ba bia na aba or the motor and a bicycle na ba enti ankola we say no likely say bia o ko school anopa dwoada ye ma first break ya onko dem bi because we said o kanti ya wodidi you see a bit distracting we say we are on so hwe akire ho pa
another class
yes efie ni adan ba ho nti ho be kra be ya foam area
be ya
tini mami komu a obeto the signal
kra bi ni ade sa
akwasi maja opese sigale wo kwa afa
to ko nya banche pese
nti na adwene kra ni the teacher ni na kire no
so wo pentem akodi na ba yire
ebi nso a ube fa we mu nyina no akora na be wie no na afa na bi obekọ junior high no obesan nante kwansiri be se de wo ho ansa na wakọ junior high school ebu na bam onu no wabre
to be brave
entu bo se obe anopa wonam kromu a wo se school ni akoda ne bag bonachi woluku smart utum se dani age na wokọ we no wonya ne sa ebia nipa 4 papa bi wo ha ne maye 4 na wo school mo ebia omokọ 5 series ebi ko enu nti akwada no kɔ no ɛkɔm de no ɛna wɔn san ni baby party ensuo to a na mframa fa ɛka akwada no wɔ school mu hɔ nti saa akwada no o kyerɛ na de a na dwen wɔ he na dwen wɔ he nti wɔn sɛ nkwada no mu mia kakra na teacher ni bi kɔtena hɔ no mo kyɛ kakra pɛ na mo yɛ na kɔdi assembly member ɛwɔ hɔ nom to nya kɔdi assembly member pɛ na sɛ wagye kuro na bɔ so o ya sɛ nyina no kakra ya yɛ bia wɔ akura se pɛn wata sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ya nete me so ku a me call ya ansa na yenya blog dem akọ na ye ntable na me wo P2 na me hu P5 dem me wo P3 no na me hu P4 dem
obi afrɛ me sɛ do kokrum na ben sɛ hwe be kwai pa ti teacher for no nyina gu sɛ hwe be kwai
you see
ntinye ekurase
sɛ de ye ka no
ai
you see
o se ben sɛ hwe be kwai teacher for no nyina do kokrum no e ben sɛ hwe be kwai pa nti
na ho na be ye MP ho on de offer ni ya
ai tell bibia ni anwea
so be kwai
bibia ni anwea so be kwai
nti on se e ba se no a se PT enane agya no on betimi aka bo manya ahoden a school no se aban no nya fa interventions bi akora maye no a omo no on betimi afa means bi so a package niam yie on se okay betimi ni asame memma no so adi nkoma hwe se de niam site se ye pai nnua bi na ye gye edan no ho kama na
ma me ni nkoma kwikire Honorable Boakye.
Macha me Joseph.
Manyanti ese nkoma ye di kura wo hwe bi wo. Wow kura wo peswa so na Honorable MP Alfred Obin. Oboya no ho ba se watu kwan weekend no aba. Na edi anamo na so far wo as assemblyman no watuo e wo sa arehusem aye hwe.
Mera say some party in some party from my idea. Assembly Adea Akye. Nitie honorable MP in interview maybe. Na the emami had a kakra discussion after the interview no air course no. They didn't say meeting me abuama I complete. One,
Okay.
Said you were kind and say, Obi Erika Tia and say, Kuruno Bain, the quiet no cray.
Okay.
The Obeka say, Perry Abam, Bain, the quiet crack. And you know, school, I and I am not in their problem because in Padano, in Julia Shea, Padano school was a Musa. So I can say, Honor Kuno Echo, the quiet Kuno Echo. And when it is school in Yakama, Quadano found easy, some of the Baba Kaikum. I understand Quadanka think it's 1 woman to me, Nantino. Nana, or more every. A very big problem. Last 2 years or so, is my memory certainly right. Send your cast a secretary supervisor somewhere then. There will be reports to the Minister Director of Education. I'm at the then Director of Education. I say, see, I need to be on for one or be close down the school. Into your friend is a stakeholders meeting. Emma report to you in the call assembly. Now, sometimes school really issue with Brazil and Penny back and I say, oh, boo, be and who say will be a human. And your banner say, yeah, I need to be on for one. Or because did down the school. One will say, yeah, make shift structure. Yeah, pillars. The sentence in Agusu. Community in the start here, and I mind you couldn't say, okay, my family didn't say Kakra. Or no, don't in chance saying, and it's our pillars now. Yeah, this is Sananka. Yes, if it is a project. And this has a minor started this Sananka assembly, no, at them, because me will say, assembly, no, a bad thing, somebody order contract. This year, am I yesterday 3 weeks, that's one of the fixation catching book. And by self-care project, the least assembly can provide some man in the Manaka committee, and so Manaka started say, ABB. And also, and net ochna. Because I mean, some committee, a last assembly meeting reports. You raised this issue. And I found that some of my and say, I say some of these structures, no, also all mining, conscience and minister, and the assembly, no, and gather, minister engineer, and gather list of those things, not assembly who can on the first no, Omanhene. But minimum say some of these issues are very, very critical. But always be a Yeniska, always be Yeniska. Now, they're killing and say, any scene when you're accident or free mono. On Nanka, ya discussion I could do level beer. Nanka in check, Nanka beer, yes, started project in Bisa. And Fufian to a so free. Or free, it close to year, me last 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks. And I got to about a year in the Pafafra. And also, I think Waba. And I think the first meeting, which was last week, Thursday. And also, a very, very inconclusive. Until next week, and I hear him say, this is Akukoshi. And for now, normally tax number, minister engineer, but me say, I think the can't do my common because me review assembly or I say, I hijack assembly meeting because Nyaman Kwana, you are 52 assembly members. The balance on Kwan, I want to do it. I say, hijack assembly, minister engineer.
And I want to believe, sir, what's what say you are taking initiative. Let's all hope, sir. You're afraid of being a Hunu no or no, because any more do. Also, yeah, one of you send it video no so the Amman Minister for Education, ne, Director General, Masendi Amano. If he say, we can do a good job. Let's hope for the best. Honorable Daniel Ketche, Medasi.
Let's hope for the best in your career.
All right. Honorable Daniel Ketche, or Shane. And I'll pay to OTA conversation or say, or Brem. And this is what Sompa we does. We always try to see to it, say, yes, you have a problem. One, yes, I'm just for fun. We'll try and get the results. You be do it. Now, me also may try my honorable Albert, Alfred Obiaba, Namin and Yankata. On far we cry anything. I'm just fans no there wow fans we are no
oh yeah okra wasumujo senkola no nya baby sua de we omundi made ade bi abro so unya ball na wonya jersey wonya baby kakra bia won say we no mo nurse bebere nti unya ball na wonya jersey baby akra na be di agro ye ma first break second break baby obe di agro na wonya duane kakra bi dia
you're good to go
una wokro
sabos no dey on fan all right Kennedy satellite atnase a omode and Sompa Africa Kennedy Eba. In another 10 minutes, Yenya Sony and Tioma. Roger. Oman. Now, pom to say,
Yamiadum,
Kayaso Miako.
Oman, no pay my Falcon Visuna, Menchia, the Menchia with Tifuna, Ubiara with Sompa FM 93.1, and Ubia Osha Sompa TV. yɛde nkyia kɛseɛ pa afiri Kennedy digital satellite ɔman ɛde bɛ bibia na ɔman nyame adom memende yi ne kwasiɛ de atwa mi ɛna nyame yɛ adom a yɛtumi kura director Mr. Kennedy Champo ne papa ɔwɔ ne den bɛ wiase ɔka nkyerɛ wie nyame adom memende atwa mu ne yɛkura papa akyi korakora na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛfɔ fidie wei so de nkyia kɛseɛ ɛne nase kɛseɛ paa ma obi biaa ɔba bɛboa yɛ ɔman ɛnyɛ easy Ghana memu ha ne asantema mu obi anim sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ ɛyɛ nkogya na enipa kyerɛ eni sɔ ne ɔdɔ ɛde akyerɛ papa no nti yɛfa akonya wei ne afidi kɛseɛ so aka kyerɛ obi biaa obɛgya sɛ onyame nhyɛ obi biaa na de obi ahwere wɔ Mr. Kennedy ne n'abusua ne ne yere obi aho no onyankopɔn nhyɛma no mu because ɔman enipa ne bebrebe aborɔfo no mu yɛ adwuma ebi twa plane ticket from Abuchi ɛde ba ɛne director eba be kura ne papa echi kura ansa na ba ɔman obi bɛyɛ na adwene sɛ mi fra Abuchi aba be support o family eyie no ɔman na wɔnim sɛ ebi nipa no ɔyɛ no kwafo because aborɔfo deɛ no kura no mu didi dwuma nto mu sɛ ɔyɛ no kwafo saa na sɛ de ube bia no ɔn be support radio stations radio presenters mpanifo ahodoɔ wei ɛyɛ na ase kɛse free Mr. Kennedy Champo ɔne ne yere Mrs. Belinda amankwa Champo ne abusua ne nyinaa yɛsɛ da ne na ase kɛse pa emu bibia onyame nhye obi bia na de mo hwe hu bia onyankopɔn hyɛ ɔman mu ɔman anɔpɛ ɛyɛ Kennedy digital satellite ɔman misrɛw sɛ mɛduadi anim a mesrɛ obi biaa ɔtie no ɔntie asopam this 10 minutes nyabotrɛ no yɛ nsɛm a yɛkɛn tiemu na deɛ ɛwɔ mu a ɛyɛ wo deɛ bi ɛwɔ sɛ wofa no nya so mfa so bia no ne fa ɔman Kennedy ɛyɛ beaeɛ a yɛ dealing with home appliances ɔman yɛtontɔn nneɛma a ɛmɛfie yɛ nika ɛmɛfie yɛ anigyeɛ because ɔman da bia metena ha me se yɛ daadaa brabɔ a yɛbɔi no ɔman yɛwɔ nneɛma bi hɔ nom a abɛka yɛ abrabɔ no yɛntumi nyi mfirim ɔman hwɛ baabi a yɛte air condition mu ɔman baabi yɛte yɛhwɛ televisions nneɛma sei na Kennedy sin da bi sɛ nneɛma wi bɛka daadaa yɛasetena ho deɛ asa nneɛma ti sei no ɛwɔ sɛ ne boɔ yɛfo na obi yɛtumi nya bi tɔ sɛnti na Kennedy say and televisions, air conditions, microwaves, kettles, irons, blenders, fufu pounding machine, enipa, edio sabe somdi aye adwuma na so etimi abobra, oman meko machine, oman ebro machine, oman popcorn machine, oman stabilizers, oman industrial sewing machine, oman doctor atade ehye na hwe so for atade ehye your types of machines e dey pom atade etese your friend industrial sewing machine ya oman ni so ubusa fashion designers ne omo maka ni nyina oman obi abɛkyerɛ saa machines no oman machine we ebi wɔ Kennedy asɔre ya ye no ne boɔfo na ɛsan yɛ papa mesɛ obi bia wɔnya akwanya or share television your telephone numbers any guas ya kama no ye delivery services baby awo bia wo say ope fufu pounding machine bi e de aye adwuma ope meko machine bi aye adwuma ope popcorn machine bi aye adwuma ope deep freezer hodo ni bi ye ne aye ton suo ye ne aye ton bele ye ne aye sobolo on my way abaye adwuma kese a o ma mi no obi wadum girl no or university and so sa ton suo ne drinks ya o de hwe ne ho o ma ebire bo ni mbedi nkoma na say no enso no kokoyi no baby daddy na say da bi bra me ne woyɛ hyɛ ketewa bi na yɛma wo deep freezer ni bi na ɔma me man deep freezer no kosi baby sɛ ɔman sɛ ɔman girl na nkasa o train school fees with ensuo no ɛne drinks na ɔman ɔtɔn no ɛmoa sɛ na Kennedy yɛ adwene sɛ yɛde bɛboa Ghana ma ne asantema ne timamfo nyina sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a obiara ho bɛyɛ de ɛbɛhen ha no because ɔman home appliances abɛyɛ part of us yɛhia air condition ɔman na sane ma sɛ ni sɛ air condition no yɛatete so na ɔman nim sɛ this week 32 inches television ɔman yɛate boɔ ne so because Kennedy say opese obi etimi nya akonya na o man doesn't matter baby a wote se wote ntabo demu se wote blog demu wote tarazo demu e wo se wotimi nya TV na de ball dem say director atnas enna me no ka say 32 inches television o man ye shine so na ansa na o man ye beto aso no me de telephone numbers any locations ni na etudwa baby a wo bia wo se wontimi ma Kennedy aso ye e meto fridge no wo se wontimi ma ohia air conditioner bi wo se wontimi ma ohia stabilizer wo se wontimi ma ohia ceiling fan wo se wontimi ma ohia popcorn machine wontimi ma ohia air conditioner Omanhene wo se wontima uhia fufu pounding machine uhia meko machine uhia bro machine uhia ceiling fans ne enema hodo kettles iron blenders ibia oman ye telephone abani o fe number we se sie ya ye no bedin kita ho na ba bia wo bia oman me se wo chiri wo kyere pone wo tumu wo wale wo sunwane ba bia wo bia no ye delivery service ye numbers no ye di tudwa ne ade bia wo be free bia no ye de be ma no wasomdwem oman numbers ye di dwan 0244 385 128
okay
0244
244
385
128 128.
My first telephone number, yeah, baby, I will be ano. Your name and man, oh, was from no more. Busa say Kennedy digital cell light and Yamina me a swa. Yama home appliances, boy, I have for yeah, and net 32 inches television. On my bed 2 months ago. On my na a 1,100. Kennedy Tilasen or Debbie, I was here 10 months nipping nebi obiet minabito. On my yates so through 950 Ghana city. On my and none of pay me no say 32 inches television. Yeah, a digital on my SIS satellite on my a full screen high definition television. Yeah, a Sena Nadakema a brand new. On my about 849 Ghana city. On my own, some Kennedy, idea because television says no, baby, be obedient whole Ghana house say 32 inches television on my a brand new a digital size satellite. A Sena Dakem on my own 945. On my own baby, I just a Kennedy digital satellite. No, my na the woman ni kana decry say. Kennedy say, you will depend on your one person between you maybe cotton, or person be two fridge ni cotton, or person be two kettle ni cotton, or be say fufu pounding machine, irons, blenders, nema who 32 inches television that today, tabletop fridges, deep freezers, or person be two cotton. On my 32 I did 849. On my Kennedy I say we a wholesaler. On my old third war, yes I tell so say baby, I'll Tony be able to make Kennedy wipe. On my Jenny on my phone if we say yes, see, also be at me near my. On my obis what baby near my. On my Debbie, what a fakwa, what a wadi so. On my and before casting, one must say, Jody de Bonim, I said, oh, tis no with him, or bien hobby. Saint Tina Kennedy, now, but today your price to be say, baby, be I will be up so between your many because or by a show on my air conditioner, over to be fufu pounding machine, even over to be the acoton, Mako machine, opebi, popcorn machine, opebi, deep freezer, hood, opebi, kettles, iron blenders, the code that's a hood, and I will pay you. A booby at DGBN, yes, I told so. On my 32 inches television, digital satellite high definition television, Menoka say Kennedy at about 849 Ghana city. Baby, be and hobby be. On my saint, you could the telephone numbers not to go. Baby, I will be after nobody to see ye delivery services soon to me, ma, on my Yedemanon. Nemo by a show on besides Kennedy away. On my part, you were doomed. Family Plaza building first floor. Or my making sure sell by a share on you are at our premises. Oh, I share hoppe. Oh, bonus will be a second year many bini from her on my and create. Make just one for Bosani because Kennedy or Tadia, you're more resistant. I did be able to be an auto table top fridge. On my table top fridge, but be able to be an over 1,600 and above. Kennedy digital satellite, your table top fridge, you know, share on my your sharp bonus says she at about 1,499 Ghana city. Wouldn't you be baby? On my SNADACM, on my yeah, king, not come while looking, will be a Oman or the mixture feed, we are Kuyano, or the Namsha feed, we are Quatato, table top fridge with a key, you're with my looking, over Kennedy, I show buying a one from a Papa F 1,499 Ghana city. Oh my, you a doom. Family Plaza building first floor.
Right.
Mr. Making sure so I show him. I give you to be a what you receipt. Come on. And then the Busam said, Nasa Madden, me turn us in your problem. At the end of May, Mr. The Winner Kennedy dance room. Your more warranty. And when just all qualified, the Cobon of Aseno, a television about Hosiema, Kennedy warranty, no the bar, and Mobi was a Henry de Bobiano. You better was a Samoa, you better Samoa, a Ripper more, a Ripper more was some yum. Or one come my your wager. Old barrier, Kokro Bitte Johnson, traffic and Nasepe, until on the main castle room, send if I saw Kennedy or Oko Patasiswa, you were a doom house, Kennedy Johnson, one you were a doom family plaza building. Mr. Making sure so from Bosanako, a dear BFN home appliance, beer, fridges, air conditions, microwaves, kettles, irons, blenders, Nemon Fufu pounding machine here, or my air Jumakas here, Mr. Obi so near Juma yet, Mr. Nyasika for Brabeto upon the machine. Kennedy de buy in say uncle baby. You want a papa and a wolf on a walk, Mako machine ho, a yam Mako, a yam a bro, a yam Jena Kikadun toast to see a yam the kama. A Macbro machine so a yam a bro, a yam a tokwa, Nina the yam the kama mom. 32 inches television. You high bonus so at about 849 Ghana city. Uber to be a cotonwa, you best start to so. Your numbers in a 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 and a 020 765 3031 020 765 3031 Oma obi o ya ba adwuma ni bi o so peke ne niam ni bi aton opebi akobɔ ne fie no ya ba adwuma ni sika no bo anu nya nso ya wo ba so ho no no ba nhye keto bi wo do pesle ba ye niam ni nyina be mo akɔ ne atete ne kakra Oma ye locations ne ye wo adum Family Plaza building. Adebia Betobian insist on a receipt. Make sure say what the receipt. Ya warranty ni Kennedy stamp. SHA ye Kennedy digital seller. Ya wadum Family Plaza building the first floor. And can we wage old barrier. Kokro Bite Junction traffic line as a pay. Oko Patai so wadum house Kennedy Junction. On oban ye chat one na ye na CPC e di mo bibiara obebua Kennedy. E man kwa na papa chiko. Onya mi sure na o so bibia so.
Medasi Kennedy digital satellite am ten kan adum do patas so Adom House sounds so na kokro bi te se ne o kan no corner electrical appliance quality affordable and it they are kan nyina no unsa ebeka bi you can be commercial you can do domestic okay me wa kwasi usu ahoma no so na okodimpa no okodimpa no wosi dimpa so ama no asetena pa akwasi me mo ache
mejo so
now what to say
na me adum
okay I don't pay my mintiu. Na adansi a also wo ewo dimpa natural health ho. Ye kata.
Eni anu mu adofo no. E fe me kwati usu. Amini afemi wo akra abeka me ton electrical. Amantia bebre ni me. Tell him tie. Na ya dia ba be ye ni se ni bi ti se Felix. Osta Number dear, nanti sika mi di juma kwa so ati. Na wura na yede me ve o ye pa na mi yede me ve ni ben so fitu o sin bi na mi hu doctor. He was so. Eno tin ubi ya ye bi ho ma e ba ne bo na mani ti pa no na ba ni nche. Eno mi ye mi ya de dia. Eno mi tene le mfa no be eno mi ti mi ka ku ma ti bi kemso. Eno mi ku hu doctor. Eno mi tene na che doctor me me di e se mi ye Midi so sama mi fano no pa sama mi fano ewia awa sese mini sese midi so papa hey boy eno do ma bre nyame da ruma midi so fan ko na me sa mi hu de mi kese mi hu de mi nyame ho emu wimi ansu nyame da ruma bi ko mu papa yi ebuo no ko am ka so bi o be ka gwa ka dia ebuo sike ibo tete ye ready you know with my video be use edu ya sabi edu na jim tie ko ni adofo ye frame kwati usu me number so pa me number for pa de pe me am so bu abeka se ku be ko papa wi ho a ebuo no so da fum tie tim a sabi wanya wa hu o ya reta no then nya papa wi ho na ko ye ni bi what advert for na ko be ku it adansi ya ya
say what tall
pa so say
this is see what tall
me what
ona na unim de na ye wo
openi o say
me say ona na unim de na mu
openi me say ebi matina ko adinsi to kra so ebi se obi na ye mie na mi twakukọ enya openi enya nyame ada room na so
nese jawa doctor how the be share chiro
papa ma kwa ka say say di mi kwa yawa obi se bi obi na yo mi do no kro asine nyame ada roma bi firi ho kwa na mabei etisabe onuya dofo ya de ya ni ko ji wan si bi enkonko ya de bi ema obi sabe wo sapo yi bi ha bia na ko ne bo so di da fon papa so di
but that's say
kwa o si bo de fabra
won say or insisting on a bonus said that form. It's answer Wakoba baby, I could taste Kakassia and say Adea Nanko. Don't say what's in the cassette mouse, a bonus said that form. Wakanum preno and prenum, the cassaimu. A bonus said that form. A bonus said that form. Mamine Abigail Santoas to train come more. Na Doctor say you see our bar on Cassa. Nensano a Jumano and Casamano. Abigail, let's say. Abigail nyama obeba. Okay. That's right.
Ye botaye ne se enipa no beti yase se no kwasem ni de ye ka no pepepepe na ye.
Na me adumo man na so e.
Me ho ye oba pa. Na ukodimpa de de na asie. Hello Abigail.
Hello.
me say uko dimpa natural health clinic Adea na de uko pie ho na de na sie
Miko dimpa Adea dimpa ya ma me die o ma mi ntimi nka dimpa
Sompa
my
Bitiewo
Enfie mienu ni na me yare ye minim pe ulcer ana na nse mi tie program na mi tie dimpa ana mi tie me so meko na makwa akosa ahye o my me drew one na me drew one me kan me problem ni na tie doctor it's doctor makuma eye me ti se de mi wu otinya botre wo beton afege doctor din fige si ni so etre be a problem ni wonyina o my o ma medra mi fie o ma no medra na bi wo ha o mi fie wo bedru fie o my na de ye mi nyina na bafom edidi mi ntimi ni di ana mi ntimi na nyina o my na matini ada etidi mpa die se osam kwa na tete upa dia me me nyana manya adafo obi anfa na ni ntedi mpa se sentie mi enni kwan adafo idi me afa so ma me ho ato me no me hu se de mi ntinya dance no kra mfa o my gana se ma me so mpa fo nsi ada mo ase de mo bedi ho dance dia ye no kra o my nyame sira o
Yesu ma je me de
o my wudi me pa na nso so me sira ma sira wo be hu mi ntam ntimi
okay doctor
yo enti no sorry ye ka no ye pese e ba be duru se wo number bi kwa na ate se obi na etu ne bafo no obo osa so pe ese dimpa natural health ne ba wuti ese de ye bo Kennedy di ana ye ka home appliances no ye pese ni party ase ese ba stomach ulcer ne related challenges are ye heart se da bia ye ba ye ka se nipa bebre nim se enema esi wona brabo mu kran related to stomach ulcer
no na cough problem on say ma me infie mienu what you say wanonom all kinds of drugs
no bebre
the self medication also the moment your boss symptoms no so untumi na o ha no ani so achi wo dizziness as a bibi sound minimum obo ono akoma obo ono ma libido just say atinka kra wo ne o yiri
ana mo flow yi a better na wanya libido kra
onti ye wo eno obo a wo didi ya na obo
obo ya wo a
wo didi wie so a as aduane ne nyam na wo kasu a as aduane ne gu anum sa ne ma wo nyina ka kire wo se eye de ayi stomach ulcer enti no enkonoma drobia go to the hospital obi timi fon house ulcer na timbo obi fon na ase
na adwe kura ye ne se obi na what's brother na odi ka ofra kra ba wakọ twitwa ne ma nyina cha se wakọ ofri si abonu dua and ofri say spiritual issue ni bar bebere wakọ na edi 2 weeks na nsesan afi na no te ase se de dimpa fo ka no eye no kura efri se wakọ ye honhom de no still de tia na je se de dimpa fo ka no eye no kura erinti no sa de o ma ka no ye okumase di chem so udru airport on about for ni kire manhia kwan no so obo se building kese a ya tro so we last towers enum ne ye wo se oba na anasa wo ban a numbers no ye betu gas si about ade ba ko a e be se ni party en wa se empempi no se wo ko hospital bebre na se wo muhunu ade kro a wo de no nko akra ntwo adwin su se oba dimpa so e wa fidie bia Russian technology ye di si usu a e bas can problems no ama yetumi ehunani so yie na nsan ya start because yes accurate diagnosis is half a cure ni ban bebre di ntu omo bra ne ye onya kura huade e ha no e no asha ase no mu eno di dimpa for yes stomach ulcer and related issues nyina no e ye ho adwuma wakoma uti wachi obo oyam untumi na wani su biru ne nyina ya no ma ebetumi abasa stomach ulcer men ka se ne nyina si a but who se mu miensa akoso pe e kire se hwehwe dimpa fo ye kira kwan ye wokumase di cham so udru airport on about afo ni kire manhia kwan no so Nebusa Old Health Insurance. Building na mu ne ewo 0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34
0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34
na 0246
0246
744
744
744
744
0246
0246
744
744
744
744
sɛ ɛyɛ stomach ulcer ho asɛm a hwehwɛ di mpa kyerɛ kwan na yɛbɛma deɛ ayɛ sɛ wiase nyinaa bɛsoa wɔ no yɛbɛhyew ama asomdwie aba wo nipadua mu meba yɛi yɛde baako asi afidie so ahwɛ no ansa na meba mekɔ a na mekɔma na duro no wakɔ na ɔse kyerɛ sɛ na wanampo but deɛ wokɔfoɔ wɔteɛ no ɔbɛ sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ɛte saa na mesɛ woni problem na sompafoɔ ne dimpafoɔ ka bɔ mu a adwuma pa ɛna epie firi mu ba
I like that.
Yami nhyira obi bia.
Okay. Tony Sack property products. Property. Topapa preko. Property. Property. Also topapa preko. Me to ana me to electronics me to fridges, deep freezers, chef freezers double door, inverter air conditioners me to woofers, any boosters ahodo sound. Na me to washing machines na me to electric irons na me kwa je me microwave ovens, me kettles, me blenders. Ni nyina no me koto property to papa preko enkoto na fe akire watam e de call repairs property products Tony Sack Electronics and they have just so woman so asene me the birthdays ba obi a wo dada no onsina from Granansia mu say junior Jekumudi ni birthday I wish no come up see you odi ni birthday etino woman so asene omu hia say obi di na wo da ye be celebrate such a person onipa no won kwante asede a na yem fa aseda manyame Tony Sack number is 0500309309 0500309309 and 0244266193 0244266193 and 0508 810337 0508 8108 Edum Wesley Methodist Usania Triangle any niche anymore as the Karam Quantimpom Hoa a hot and a war and then a Yakosia Nyakon of Wesley College of Education and the birthday way free Sebastian Ho and Odeba. Another birthday to Fred Mystica of 21st Clinic from Vera to you. Afe wrist bag Ampoman Nyamiche of North Centreso wrist bag. Hannah Ousu of Asokore and Net Yawawoda from Bulare Pankrono. George Grace Asante of Asante Mampong. New Damai from Say Apia. Grace, today is your birthday. Koja Mankwa, a teacher at the Quantum Methodist Primary School, Mampong. Appear to Mampong, and anyway, Eba. Gloria Say of St. John Hospital. There I am Quanta. It is coming from Frank to you. Happy birthday to Janet of Goyle Filling Station, Club 600. From Dr. Silas in Cancer. Hey, Silas. I see. Chief driver. Honorable Kwame Ousu Bampo, Assembly Member, Accra the Electoral Area and Marketing Associates, Sankofa Natural Spices. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Kwame Ousu Bampo. Blessed birthday to Justin. And I will say Safo, a student. A people of Fenny School from your dad, Safo Prince, Procurement Manager, Ghana Library Authority. Happy birthday to Theophilia Ohima Pukia of Doma Ahinkro from Ketri Obi. Glorious birthday to Alvin Boateng Dankwa of Pope John Paul International School Tread. Alvin, happy birthday to you from your dad Asumedu Dakwa Kesmin Media. To my lovely sister, Portia Uswa, you are a nurse at Vision Care Herbal Clinic, Agrikinsima. This is coming from Wono Jay-Z. And a birthday to Nanama of Ijase from Emmanuel. Nanama Newa Woda. Gloria. Glorious birthday to Lex from Paul Manson of Swami Magazine. And then my daughter, Brielle Amankwe Japan. Mr. and Mrs. Japan. And her siblings. Govina Siao Edubofo. Quincy Amfem. Of Mispa Baptist Academy, Ashtown. From Mr. and Mrs. Siao Abebio. Govina Siao Edubofo Quincy Amfem. Blessed birthday to Mr. Kingsley Otio, CEO of Yakins Enterprise. Producers of Osei Bitters. See you. Happy birthday to you from Yabuama. And a glorious birthday to Cecilia Osei. Is a CEO of Vanik One Ventures. Vanik One Ventures. From your husband Andy of Legacy Travel Consult. Happy birthday, Cecilia. And then to my lovely wife, Mrs. Loretta Ousu, from your husband, Zua of Aseda TV. Hey, Zua. Anyway, blessed birthday to Solomon Opoku. Today is your birthday. And then Oreku of SD Hospital Asamai. Today is also your birthday. The happiest birthday to Mr. Prince Patrick Osei, CEO of Divine Mercy Auto Body Works and Painting Swami. To Gifty Asari, aka Sompa. Sompa de. Aka Sompa Nkomo. Hey. Okay. Mr. Michael Ofosu Afriye, today is your birthday. Ashanti Regional Correspondent. Oh, Michael. Ghanaian Observer newspaper. Happy birthday to you, Michael, from Akosia somewhere, Japan, Mrs. And to Confidence Sewa Yeboah. This coming from Mr. Yeboah in Suta Atonsu. And then to Majwa of Tafo. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Obapa Ajwa. May you enjoy the day to the max. Happy birthday to you, Majwa. Okay. Abaso, Pogofia Jekum.
Bro.
Now pom to say
Yehu adum.
Bibia Boko.
Nyame wayana from the Akenipa.
Sompa FM.
Okay. Retired auditor and chief executive officer, Beck Egg Premiers. Akokro hine. Mr. Eric Abo, Jabe mo ache.
Ya media.
Bibia Boko de.
Oh, nyame adawoma.
The nobody ase.
Mpaiba asofo de mai.
Asofo de mai.
Nyame
yeah.
Okay, hold it.
Amansan Penia Trasi, and ya water. Yenin Komo. Mamisha same free or papa. Aboso, and some of that so you share PRC and 18.36 on my PGM electricity a PGM. Afe Dominic Yaw Dominivo. Supreme Court to say a Kwayan and Adam Kufuado. A man call leave no as one constitutional. Afe you see na name time ana and several quarter ono so e de krata ba bontin say akwa nhwehmu ni ade no ono na appointment ne kra na de dey and so your constitutional but oman ka bibia bio isanse domnevo already on retirement and international kind say aban ni to me say independent institutions obetima share obi e wo ho say onko gina home abra onko leave proceed on leave. Become a peniku for pensopa eshasiye. Proceed on leave. Proceed on leave. Nadbo boss. Proceed on leave. Wine. Proceed on leave. NDC for by proceed on leave. Supreme Court to say a independent institution to say Electoral Commission, NCCE, Auditor General, Attorney General, quite the same independent. Other institutions are almost do omunkuino. President need to me so bet makachu be say onko leave. Tell you pakro no be kwa anu ako. E no so da pno so e be de onkomo. Na fe ya sign off Ashasi 27 Kotoaba Mami Tio you be the Ashasi and Bobo
Ohin popro medu as papa ende ya wada adum kasia moya bedwafo se senia ya wada bia ye no yemesi nkonya na yendi Ghana ho nkomo na yenkyere ya dwen desa manyofo no de ahobrase befa no mo de aka ne omudi mo ho a kom de yi ato ayi saa no ma bia ye no ye pese yakuya ni mu a esese yetimeje expertise edi enhiase ye mo nyina ya attracted to become political agents. There's no need if you want to really build a country. Ye yankofo a omo adwen mu no omo ye independent o kire na adwen a bebi eda ne da saa no ma bia ye bia eyo na ansa na meba asem we so no mo ade sere baako omanfo e wo soami
Sompa
ene one mo a edi eye soami runabout ho mfaso no ka mesre se beye yi a pressure omde to aban no so se omeye overhead no yenyae de enti ameka sa ne se omane sikasem no ahohiahia ye wo mu na no den enti kakra ye pede free IMF any tax a ye raise no se yanhwe niam a edi kan pa betim di sika na yam o haw na bafom ne yakofa interchange yentimi wie yentimi wie o na yanwie nso a o haw ni sunsanso a ede bebre kumaseman yentimi nsum visa se na o si e create bypass bi ansa na yesa de
auxiliary roads
so and what the pressure to on so bebrea ebeba be political project obeye bibi dia so wani but wa wutimu no nsunsanso no ba wutimi nso ano se hwe ekofo die na no me ko ebro me ko for me were hoipa wo mu wie yo aden na sika no yenka no mo mfa nko wie akwan bebre nso ye so dangerous wo ko baby di sababi am yiri free mansum side very terrible roads. Oh, na wasa kofa we nti basa da bia na ko basa o man no ye de ensa so bibi mu a ye ntimi wie ne yatete so emwa yen emye sika ntimi de so am interchange no o mbetie dia wo mun suspend na yemfa akwan a eye more dangerous no mo meyi nchance ni firi ho wa hu na emre semu no yemfa drawing nto ne yatimi abaso ya nye ne se ba hayi eba yinkania ntumu no a say abano no ho akire no odwana num ama no ho akire do pa sisi opubia belin out na next time no ama your former born to ambohwe mu kasa yi
that's right
enum gya bebrebe nya ne de kekere bae aho kire no aba mabosia no ho hyehyɛ ni bi ne say sebe ya wonu ma di sika no ma yembe hu se eni da so bi ohoso om de ma yampa de de koye no yebetime twa ndachi ne hunsi ho enti boso me miensa bia no esi atum de kwase me nkanhye da enya sem papa sa eviso o mai entumu na kwaya de bia ayi subai entumu na ye de bibirisi atunu memu tantantan ena percentage nso a ye de tumu no so entumu de eden e beba but percentage I did too near memu dodo we is about 80% a day
18.36
18.36
oh no cry 90.3 electricity easy 10% cry no oh share income Ghana for adwumai for e di mayen
yes
na electricity e 18.3 be to so a
no she and enye busumi nsia na nyafe busumi miensa na busumi
miensa quarterly review it could happen say be a next review the bit ma perform but Ghana
the possibility say on better some emma I want to be a mekasa yenye honest to aman yosemu and when it comes to politics Ghanaians we are not honest at all nanka nokuridie wo mu dia ene ye gi ya man yifu dia ka nim say o de ko 18% or revealia betimi ababi a 10 kra na nda so bi wom enti mesre bebre say going forward no amanyofo no enter the size of government no so kakra so omonte so na sika eko party semune huge government omo establishing as for omunya because I don't know problem no enye taxes a yentimi raise bebre na manfo ntua nkofo bebre kan me no mo nyadwen me feel say
extravagant mama fa we twam
yo
jachi question the krata babonten will declare intention to contest the Senate parliamentary seat in the upcoming by-election.
Futu ni nyina echi no. Ye beba onu.
Mama kind quickly na at least ye hu the wo na. When I took the decision to put myself forward as a candidate for the 2020 parliamentary election in the Asin North constituency on the ticket of the National Democratic Congress, I did so with a determination to serve the people of the constituency with all my heart, soul, body, and all the resources I could muster in the service of my people. My roots in the Asino constituency ran deep, and all I wanted was the opportunity to meet the needs of my people on the larger scale. The Asino constituency lives in abject stagnation as a result of years of neglect. I renounced my Canadian citizenship in December 2019 and returned to Ghana to serve you, my people of Asin North. When I declared on my nomination form in October 2020, I owed no allegiance to any country other than Ghana. Why this now? Yeah, because if you say in 2019, that means the Supreme Court has not been fair to you. Okay, anyway, let me continue. That is what he is saying. To date, no one has provided any evidence that I owe allegiance to Canada at the time I filed my nomination and when I was elected and sworn in as your member of parliament. When a group of people sent a petition against me to the Electoral Commission to allege that I owe allegiance to Canada, they were invited to provide evidence to support the allegation, but they failed to provide any evidence of my owing allegiance to Canada beyond my having had Canadian nationality. Accordingly, the EC declared me fit and qualified to contest, and on the 7th December 2020, you rose up and got me duly elected as your member of parliament with a resounding victory. The EC is the body the Constitution had granted the mandate to conduct public elections. What did I do wrong in going by the decision of the EC that I was duly qualified to contest the election? Has the EC been prosecuted for its determination that I did not owe allegiance to a country other than Ghana? Okay, move on. Move on, yes. On the 17th, go up. On the 17th May 2023, the Supreme Court of Ghana gave a ruling declaring as invalid my nomination, election, and subsequent swearing in as your member of parliament. The court did not give its full judgment with reason, but stated that the full judgment will be available on or before 7 June 2023. The recent statement of the General Secretary of NDC in response to the ruling expresses my view. He said, in the light of many previous decisions that we are aware of, including decisions in case involving Honorable J.H. Mensah, Honorable Abajama, and Honorable Peter Amewu, that state that the Supreme Court does not have the jurisdiction to invalidate a parliamentary election and that the High Court is where such a matter should be taken. It seems strange to us that the Supreme Court gave this decision. Hey, really? To buttress this point, let me read a passage in the ruling of Justice Tokunu in the Supreme Court when the court dismissed the application for review in the Amewu case. Her ladyship said, as referred to by Apeu JSC, on page 7 of the decision under review, this court has settled through cases such as Yeboah vs. J.H. Mensah and in re-parliamentary election of Wolensi constituency Zakaria versus Nimakan that the effect of section 16 of PNDC law 284 continued in force through article 11(1)(d) of the Constitution, article 99, is that any course of action that is in substance and reality one that questions the validity of a parliamentary election and its outcome must necessarily be prosecuted through a parliamentary election petition in the High Court, and neither the Supreme Court in its several jurisdictions nor the High Court in its various jurisdictions has jurisdictions to grant reliefs relating to a parliamentary election without a hearing conducted via petition to question the election in the High Court. Despite what her ladyship said, he has settled through cases. We now have a decision of the Supreme Court that, contrary to what has been settled, claims to invalidate a parliamentary election. Let me quote another passage from the ruling of Justice Tokunu in that same ruling in the Amewu case, by providing that the validity of election in question only through the process that allows for a trial, the situation of deciding the validity of an election of the strength of a motion and affidavit evidence has been disallowed by statutes and judicial interpretation on Article 33 and cited above. Okay. Asem no de kasi e kan say na ye nko. Etemu pa. The opposite chire nyane say Supreme Court need to me by Ghana's constitution say obetimi ama verdict say ono oni to me so gina ho. Na baba jama case wo ho. Omo amewu abra omo de sao case no so koye. Enti nenu JH Mensa any Wallency constituency cases nyina show ti jachi crisis wo busa say sa case ya betoyi Supreme Court to me be no mo omutimi case wo no wontimi nyina enti on dey by this no okwa akogina o declare intention say 27th NDC for fanning ko na ne nkro for nto abama no obani
yewura no asem no a ode aba no megidi sɛ enya de a yebɛka ho nsɛm pii kosi sɛ ade no da so ɛwɔ court
no that assembly dey any court na criminal case no na ɛwɔ court but say yes ontumi nyina de court abu awie
okay me de me nsusuye mu no nyene kanes nia okeka no obi ni tumi ne de nyene kano no bi a wobetumi akase kwan ya Supreme Court fa so obu asem eni mra no ebo ebra Nemo so kan so ni tumi ho na wotumi etumi ne de kekere ban so enti no ya wo mo mpa futufuo papa bi ntu omfo na badwa mu kasa no mo kasa yi na nema bi atise na yesa ya ndema ye mu bi no na fa NDC ho no ya na ya dwene no ensisi pi ma yesa me mpaka kabensam
he's stating his position.
Oh, but
so
the
Supreme Court does not have the jurisdiction to rule on a parliamentary issue. You should go to the hard court. And I go to Justice Tokunua and you say, Chief Justice, no ruling on Sal Amewu and JH Mensa de no Jinaso. Say, on the all candy with him. And on maybe on a lawyer for now.
Cases ya wore fe nyina so komu a ne nyina nya de similar to be a ono ne de be e beben but enye sanche
ono the way has nothing to do with cases by it has nothing to do with whether or not onipa no is citizen or not.
All right.
A different
nemum say ofi say o wa kwanya so otimi ekwa me de na mesere ne say ontie futu no hwe ne meye because criminal aspect no ewo ho enti woko we kura na ko we ne yesua in na wo be kan parliament ho kura what about the criminal aspect no sakofa nsimpi aba problem they will solve a no solve ni ye say o ma party do edidi utim na ko nya asem sisia ne ko basa asem no bubo ye do ko tuma party no nyomo nyina na no ko prison ho nti na me mpese aman yosam no so be yet say ase nipa bi nhede emu judicial no ene ne yewu because do amemo de unse ni nyina so ba ko no gina judicial no so ntia se respect say to me no say asem bia ne se ne yepese yi ne menti ne akasa basa na nipa so de support my enti ne yi de basa ne moye enti ono no de ne de mfi se mente ho nemum party ni mienu no madwene ya ye me say ana me nsusuye mu no me gidi se abato ho mode o mo yade
number 1
omo yade pa ehun twobo ne ho ene omo yade pa ne mu se ba no amemu seriously say they solve problem day by day problem set memufo ho beto won adampa kwan ni niama se sika sam ntoto ya omo ya feeling enti they should look at it very well very bad once they be am kan se kofo de critique image no enti MPP nya nipa de nim bebri adom no is based on Kofo's performance say what the MPP ba o metima make a difference because apart from Buzia na MPP mai ena Kofo ne ba na obeti o mo anim enti we no abasa na mfie nsuni na nado aye niam no ngonwara sa no etie de onyam no so enti o mo hwe ne ye enti sa obia sɔre dendenden so yɛ independent ana party foforo bi a ɔman no yɛntena wo nsosɔ so saa sɛ ndc mpp o efi sɛ nyame a mɔga na ama wɔ mo nko a wɔ mo hwɛ ne yie ne yɛkɔm gye ya ne ɔmeyɛ party o abatuo ne yɛhia no sɛ mɛda mɛsɔre ɛmetumi tuam school fees ma me mma metumi tɔ petro saa ɔhene ni nso so de kaa bɛbɛ adwuma da bi ɔkɔma 3 days wahu enti yɛbɛserɛ wɔ no mo ɔmo hwɛ ne yie na coming back to percentage of wei na yɛde to mu no ɛso dodo ɔman biara wɔ mu ani abrɛ no so ɔmo ka ntomu ho asɛm a na saa abrɛ na katua ntomu nso ɛbɛdi akyiri but wohwɛ Ghana bakwasɛ mu a nneɛma ntomu no tumi baa na adeɛ baako a ɔmo bɛtomu no ɛtumi saa nneɛma bɛsɛ du a ɛhyehyɛ bia mbata ho a wobɛtumi de adoto nneɛma yie sɛ ɔman ba ɛno nsi agya ne saa nti wobɛhu sɛ ayɛ sɛ monko nhye yɛnyɛ ɔman saa yɛsra amanyɔfoɔ no mu nim de makosua amanyɔ nsɛm yɛmu binom yɛnyɛ amanyɔfoɔ yɛfam deɛ ne sɛ bi a yɛnso yɛtufoɔ nanso yɛkɔba sɛ nneɛma no bi a moyɛ no toro kansa ne yɛne yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ nye saa ne yɛbu man a yɛna adwene ɛha adwene paa nti me deɛ ka bɛnya a wɔn mo to mu ne yɛdi kan no a wɔn mo mpɛ kwan bi so na sika no a yɛ amanyɔfoɔ no ho ka bebrebe no bɛyɛ koraa ministers no nte so ne yɛntete ayinu na ɛmmɛhyɛ mu that just say.
Do the ministers still pay? Do we still cover ministers their elections?
Omoje per them bibia speech one travel expenses. Oh Lord, you bomb too much. Bomb too much.
On one minister in this country is huge.
A poor country, African country, Ghana, small country. Na mu ministers bebe na chobo one country ma de nyina chichim.
Now you
because you mun konta.
Yani Sani Aba chief directors. Any accountants, no officers, no.
So
one more sika sumhono. Eba here TT ministers the SU. Yanti omo the SU. The government appointee.
Sanity.
It is origin.
So
400 million na.
Aye.
Na minister there 500 no yet be 30% free so. Now they are even earning more than.
Aye.
Ministers.
Now we electricity for so call market.
Oh, can say I mean can be chief director. Oh, near 50% of a minister's pay.
Oh yeah, I'm just giving an example.
First you wanna opa check your control accountant general. Come say yeah, he won't come nowhere near the minister.
So market anye.
So a civil servant.
But that's how Sompa.
Oh, there be I don't know what can yet here. And the dream who be Unyan Dodia dear, but not the Kunyan, it doesn't come in the minister.
Okay.
But I want more crowdy and car, woman disse, yes, we civil servants
apply.
Sir,
Minister, try on the quiet.
Sanity, or Brenna, or brand Yabina among your four no meaning or my bread. Oh, think I yet to me, the course ample ponson is the same one. And Kaye and Tessa or mine, a hunya woman. Ebe hadwene enya spirit enya hwe ye ne yesuban sane yesi yaman yosem no ye nye discipline ye beto aba tu sika gum sangonran ye mum kunta esa aya na eha ntino yesra man yofo ye kama ifunu ne kama dampan ni nyina ho na ekoda ye wura yi a no woye ayi wode semponi ni ane kasa yi papa ni ono proceed on leave or they correct me
meba o mami
ayo
hone about level is about your mami too
yo ni di kameda de Terra One Media as na fi also for so dem pipe pa bo ma betra na we nua bari dia fashions ya do ase ma wo mo ho ye fe o Ghana halmachire obi ase o St. Louis nche wa wo bibia wo pese okopa mo okwa obenten
mema de ka ho
mema de nka at times but mostly na ma de no
o fie shembi
upa ko wa obetuma ma na fi amanyofo a wo mo Ghana nyina mabaso si yi mu firi mu enye yi ni obi e kan wa ba bia nyina envie diasa na akire ni eno na yedi mo akire no wan say ye betretre mo you hope you know that ni ntimi imposu ye will on you but we hope you know na yakoso ni di kan na ye de bempo
electricity
ntumu no
electricity ntumu no emfiri enewu efiri agreements a yesensan yetamo yedasu mu no kofa independent power producers ebaye say yes say mo buy mo machines na besi ho no mo de aba say mo na wo say mo top we mo beto petrol gum we nso mo ntop petrol gum we mo beto oil gum we mo ntop oil gum say si ho na say mo nya sika ntop oil gum mu a mo betua sika say ya mayen so ho edi mfie say ya mo beto ye plant ne ne manyina ni nyina in our quest say ye be satisfy the ordinary Ghanaian amuna nya nkane ya so nti omu consensus agreements ni nyina obi hold in machine be see ho no mfie mienu no mfa ye sparkida no giska afi ko duru ba bia aban no so tu about 500 million a year dollars wabra ye on background supply kanea it says it's kan nyina nso free energy sector and there was a eba nti obi e jump in na onto no boase eye big ayipa headache eda aban bia so ya a free say IPP no buy no energy crisis no buy ya in our say be dey beto Ghana so omabo modern renegotiate a lot of them but yes sir we pay too much for no services and now company the international court on call for so akosensan ye be seize uni amatua international na akofa wenum nyina aba very serious afei Adea the power those machines no kura wa ha no ene akosombo ne capacity na ba from bui enye consistent intimi moa ti nyina akoshia gas ne fusel oil ya ene first ye buy be 5 years ago na ye $30 per barrel ene akwa kudu 80
wow
ye de fire Adea no ba how can you say aban ko fasika mfentu amount na so kanea okofasika no way eno ye 1.2 politicians one more bar you see rural electrification ye beto aba no okofa meters 20,000 30,000 no for electricity for bobo momobo electricity for no so any capacity for immediate capture of those power no meters no consumption or so the be na yiso akogisika. And as I'm talking, there are about a lot of people who can how much on Kenya 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Untia kapre.
Waje mami fa ibi mwao. Ayibi koso. Minimnia o she o yesa nema no. Omo assembly men, assembly women for no meters. Na omo no de meme mankofo a obisa won question undimi hu say legal na say illegal.
Odi me pacho ma. Odi fa to ho. Na those meters akọ
sharp no is sharp meters
yes sharp na ekọ ye no and capture wo ECG
the main system
main system enem
so
only pa ko no pe vote
that's right
na wo mo akọ baby bebre na ni nyina no so no eye energy providers na akoto fuel akoto gas ndi ma dia power wo mo yi no e dia ayi na bad ameka no adoso na nsinya quality 40 mu boso me ba akope so esika omoje baby kura ba yesi baby is baby 20,000 meters kura di eni wo moyim common de ba pepesi enya ha Accra is
across Ghana
no cross Accra Ghana is as Accra is
20,000 meters
in Hong Kong
mainstream
over
na ode
enti
bela komano
good aba ema abanya headache bebre say obesity management of ECG I improve omo revenue collection and then losses no a omo de ko hihye mu sene nkofo yi nyina no afi omo machines ni your friend is saying transformers ni be old enti enye efficient leaky a lot of power ni nyina no I say omutuaka what do we want them to do ena Ghana for CC no I say aban no so wabre ade ode ba power ni dum so enti wo se obomod na se obeso kanea amaye
anyesa ono so
anyesa ono kran so be ko na yesa na omum yenu nyina ba party mi nyina enwene Ghana
aya de kro
enti the best thing they say sɛ kanya adwene ayi nkwa so ɔho apa so nanso abanesa kramodak na ɔsi abanesa sese increase ya abɛyɛ 18.36 or so yi ɛnyɛ ayi o ɛfɛ ne sɛ IMF ɛna ɛde ba ase ne nkɔfoɔ ka no woka yi a last year ɛna ɔmo nya de ba so ɔmo bɛgye nkaneafo so ɔsi yɛ 200%. ɛna water tie ɛna water for so ɔmo bɛgye some 120 wonim ne nya na IMF mai ɛna through negotiations ɔmo kan sɛ ɔno mo bɛtum deɛ na ɔno mo bɛ
aggregate no
good and immediately in July no ɔmo gye 30% ɛna akyire ɔmo bɛgye 18% ɛna aduru so si yɛ bɛgye 18% bio and ɛnyɛ IMF na ɛfɔ so yɛnia yɛ consumption ne unnecessary
though IMF have called for
me sɛ obiara bɛfa o balance sheet ya obe nso wɔ energy hɔ nyɛ and obviously they will talk but what I'm saying say we were aware nye PURC the government was aware
said we beba
amomo frase ye ho negotiation na aye nhihye ya to hɔ ansa na IMF no obi obi Ghana balance sheet bia ana yi bia onim sɛ leakage ni nyina no enam ayi hɔ ebia ne sɛ ukofia $500 million on bakro ma power back kra because o kosin saniama
ebedi be say ye timi asesem
every 9 years, every 10 years,
15 years.
Yeah, don't push.
Definitely it was a poor decision, but
serious.
At that time, I say I will hear, but some come the one for.
Who dear Tia near making Obikra promises say with this and the Eberson can hear interview a minister. A do so and can hear no money yinedi.
Corrado.
And they don't tell lies.
Yeah.
And this Obi jumpo on the energy bounce wagon. I was so offer kon the chika crack. And
still a percentage of the two mu no.
I mean, what are you trying to say? So okay, kosi and kosi only abani nisika. Ye o say intua tax ye tua no bi se obi a ye budget. Ye no. Ye contribute to less than 50 something %.
Yeah.
Ye can ye loans. And you can just say ye tua.
You consider expenses. Expenses need too huge.
Debbie. Expenses
maybe totally unnecessary.
Oh, Debbie. I mean, don't be jumping.
I'm not jumping.
Me just say yes. It's discussed at length. Omukoji loan krasi the baby bia. Purpose aye de be no. E wo loan so.
It is gas in
parliament. So many apart from here discuss of parliament no. Returns ni report things standards wo ho a nkofo bri ehwehwe e make sure say loan ye koji ye de akoye we. Quite recently ya omo free parliament koi. Omo mkushia e. Ma loans bia no makoje. Edi be ye setting gold. Oma enye new loans from ko prove you old loans
readjusted.
Yeah, eniema a woso nko mo de ye no. Se no ma saniema no nti wo se wo mkohia ye hu ne edi be ye. Enti eniema ne bebre wo ho a senka ni nkobi abedam wo. Ense ya fa ne se aban bia scratch your back, scratch your back. Enso wo behwe no wo bedu ba bi no na wa store because we committed. Obi a committee wa wo ye ni bibia enye yi. So, until say a percentage no ye can no. You na made free fuel 5, 6, 7 years ago near top fuel $30 and they buy 50. And sometimes your job more 100 and the taste so bar 80. Meanwhile, what was the percentage would the CD rate as at that time? Ever to CD rate home and now the 18% is 7p not.
Sompa FM.
But you may be
na say wo kasa me mamusa so ba na wo ya and you know I'm not defending but that's the reality you pushy ama loans am na ye no say you ko push akɔhefa because you started this agreement you know am a PURC any public any we mean agree a timetable schedule timetable with the increases ya pene so atua we are can cry na year start July is it August another 18 ba December say November another 18 ba anya sa no enye yi ayese cars ye titimu ye so ya to petrol wuntumi nka so do ka si opa afesi fie na antie opa ne hent ya to kaniem opa adum no enti increases ni we ndi enye ne ohwe petrol increase ba Ghana ha ema diesel ko do 23.8 per liter. Now the say the same
come back to 12.3.
Maybe as at the time the same fuel when you go good generator ko pompe yima wo. So Satan abantu mu say. nti na still na ye di ye aban subsidize wabra wo de ka sɛ wo de ka sɛ wuni abenkwan yo ka fo wuni abenkwan wo di die do so wuni abenkwan nti the stark reality no na wo mo pese face ye hu how to plan our economy well. Nti those percentages ni die make say ye mistakes ni dada aya committee ho dada ye ho hwia enye yi okaya just to as an illustration na Ghana for Adea Akye Abia machine be ship be there be ship be na GMPC for drill ship and I say
FM
drill ship OBCZ overseas say the car Ghana Airways plane ye be chain no Dubai airport there ye bo ho say the car enti ade ne de so antua enye ayi wuti Ghana say untua e bit my possible untimi nso kan ya no wo ye super you be seize uniema e de atua look at nansen obi ayi bi odebeto ayi say China for say electricity na we how possible say a bank bobo sia or say brana electricity and kofo betua no kwa enso no brana beje si entimi entua mawa ye fa hwechiri ne enema onti no that no let's come to dom level.
Enough. Okay, let's do dom level. Okay.
I didn't say
dom level.
Dom level. The independence of your office doesn't give you the power to do everything. Obia nya ohwe, obia nka hwe. And now, why leave? Why should you bring in the word leave? Obia appointment so say oko leave. E checking em bebre o. Apart from say eboa or health mo akwaji wa home aba no. E made a wo ye no kwa wo hand over obi behwe chire. Enti internal control eboa corruption ni internal yes pa. Say what so unko no unko nti obi ehu na oko leave na so obi di wade dia. Entoboni ni e mahu nyina no obetumi ehu. Enti one so obi eheda ka se onko leave na ma yesese ya na bibi wo ho. One oye juma kwadwo ahome keke ne ntua akamfa bibia ma aseme nko so enti two abrofo no di leave no baaye no na eye niema ba emi leave ne transfer no enye punishment o but one fi say internal control system mechanism
but we have turned it
but we have bad perception
punishment transfer
and where
abe punishment
where o dom level no e kwan o mo fa so ponte no ni ato abawie ema the president exit ade be chim akwa 5 days mo akwa no akwa ponte obi so o may water general o may watchman kase ema wo obi abam anti ho no na suspicion no
say papa wo hoina e bia wona wo hwe bibi so na wo ko na wafa obi fufuro na eba o na wafa oba be ma say sikaseme ho nyina ho na emehwe so mi wa so no yese o mra so ko de obeba no one na adwuma ye no on kasa kra na etirimu pobi
mi pacho number 2 so ne say audit service no omo establish ye no obi amfiri baabi e me ye otaji nada tembia we go through the mill
na edru so
to we no free abon o nko na ofri abonten o ma audit da o bedru ho no qualification ni ma de banya ne bebre wo audit wa o mo obi sen wo experience na de nyina sen wo and why didn't we do friends say in house now kofo obi ba ti wo ba ye no ano enemies wo ho okay say no munim so the other general ba kono
I said director general GS ya almost go through the mail and
so no put the o kira de no ne ade pen na we de san service no e wo ho no de service no na onye mu adwuma da since Ghana nya other general obruni saban call ya ye de ahenkra se ba ye no obi obedi other general bia no e wa adwuma no mu dada enti wo jump in na wo internal enemies
that's I want change status quo no
go ansana woni segma dey on the say no original controller audit the controller say one little aspect of ohwe other general adwuma
if in na adwuma no but means
let's talk the adwuma dey say onya mai ɛmɛyɛ adwuma ɛnyɛ issue no reports ɛne wahu sɛ fi wɔ ho anaa fi ne ho. This is where I'm starting. Sɛ baabi a ɛkwan yɛ fa so pointe no koraa no.
There was an issue.
Okay.
So nti proceed on leave no a ɛbɛ akyire no ɛyɛ nneɛma bi a woba yɛ report bia na wobɛ issue no wopɔ anwummerɛ a na wo ne NDC fo akɔhyia akɔyɛ meeting na mo leak information chi ɛyɛ fɛn sɛ senior minister wode ne kɔ court woyɛ seesei asɛnea woba bɛko ama obi no ho so tɛ no sɛ wo no yɛwɔ board despite sɛ wo auditor general no wowɔ hɔ no yɛwɔ board at least wɔ sɛ wo report ma wokɔ aburokyire a na wagya note sɛ kofi sign sɛ bi latest nso ho ana sign wonyɛ wontumi act ɔka a wɔ sɛ won't take instructions from the board because woyɛ independent ɛne ho nea ɔne manya na ɔmhwɛ yɛ a na yɛde bɛwie wo sɛ wo date of birth wode akɔ adwuma social security na wode asan ba aha no give ɛne ne nhyia ɛne ho nneɛma bebree ɛna ɛno nso no independent of the audit service no ɛsan yɛ public office because we retire at 60 nti aban no pa ɛna ɔto awo so nti so many things ɛwom ɛna sɛ say no as of now no fine auditor general no oni power president oni power so obe force or say could leave na hand you over ma obi etwam so what the 60 okọ nti aye mre bi ebeda ho next time no obi ntumi nkan na nye obi a o wo public service no mo ye under the India on between akase could leave na we no ni office na ye independent na we gina so akasa nti say wo ni to me say woman ko leave wa the same time so who need to me say point you be so may acting this is what the main essential
and somebody be ya na kamenya na ye di fifem says ntisa bia nipa no be kasa be wie no na refi wenti na sembo kaya ye started dwumadie me can say eye amemwo no a ye buo no a yama party aye more stronger than institution no a big problem.
Yeah, it is.
Now both major parties in Nigeria digan e wu sa niema no. Wo mo do ema won party no a supersede that of state institution. And to almost civil servants obi our public service bia obi either you are NDC or MPP. At the end of the year,
even professional doctors, nurses, one man.
So, Papa, time no office no. Ninsem bi wa kan na me ne nyagene. Say, now we party ni anasa we civil servant ni. But na chire magene pa. But a kwan so anado dan kwan so fa so no. Wrong.
Something like constitution.
Because two wrongs doesn't make things right. So, o man who do esi ani so ne adwene dachi nchiri madia. Ekonia or minor faswa NDC MPP too powerful institution as I see ready ye. As you ye papa aban NDC aban ne beba obi obon homodin abi o wasue ye bi mu wayi nanim kakra bi so MPP se ko yinifiro. When so ba NDC se ko yinifiro e bete no man atimi akọ nanim e den obi a obabi ogina obi o se na obeto na backro ba se nipa no ya de no na de a oye etia mra ya ye hwe de mra ne se ni se de mra se na munya particles se se okoya akodi nkunim pen no pese oti ne din ho keke na nso nya ne manyina na oye no right ebi wa na ye wrong wo bra nka se president utimi tenase. Now, can say meka going forward, too much power to the president and the entity. Ye proper democracy. The power too much. Too much. On tesa near ye di gentleman ye Ghana be koswa ye sa ye mongrai.
Ghana baby abedri ye nyame ase. I say African country I adopted democracy abedru ha enye bad say na wodwen no.
Oh, me can say bad. The way forward. Me can say bad. Go way forward. We need to put things right.
President.
Yeah.
1992 Constitution.
That's right.
It does.
Too much. Too much. Now
to say
yes.
It was done to make Rawlings comfortable.
That's the point.
That is it.
And now who call?
What I say? And if yes, you can. when another car say or the district assembly elections or money to me
hey I'm on fantasy
and you know the bar first you miss the buy.
No, but what I mean is he
a good idea.
No, that's right. So no start here and I'll bet to us all. No, I want us to bring continuity
on the metro. She said or car say oh yes I do we she Ghana they see so quiet boy about district assembly elections.
When you are talking about democracy in LC Kanwa, Ghanaian thinking and way of life should be taken into consideration. Obie ni wa mo friends obey dia ni busu efo obele
obogun sasha
enti se menyi unia me ma wo me setting things
o meto ase ba
me because me
can be asem so
me pacho me call ya me copy power no ma promise amanfo my manifesto my bibia enti bibia no a obi anase obi anu a odi obesi me plans ho kwan no any kwase man kwan agese bia against the constitution
mami wie saade ekura akofa ba ekura no in going for ne se yetimi ejai ensese ye ma obi di ono ne party manifesto be run Ghana
me hwa che se constitution no ho no ne manifesto no ono na hyense nyina should be in line in tandem with the constitution
ese oman nankasa ye peniyi a yetimi nya developmental plan eda ho Sompa na make a tell me.
Yeah, what developmental planner 40 years, 10 years, 15. Ego.
No, na make a
party ni ba. To say you okay no. Ye timi nye no so
Sompa FM.
So proven say. Now principles of state policy in our constitution, the preamble is there.
Okay.
State policy. Oh no, I just say your education nearma way na was say etumon say they fashion out their manifesto in accordance with that constitution. But because you're on the diano oba na yetu na de so a he goes into the gutter because me the media ba catch them say me free SHS say the constitution nim kra na I have to fulfill that promise. Na Ghana for nyimini that is a debate.
But oh, the attorney say, but Martin and Mokana say, but the Pesam Train say, Constitution, the Oho, Emra. But Emran to me, my young woman, your Pessi, as I see a Timina focus, vision for whatever we want to do, according to age, a dahwa. Ya strengthen institution. Abaya share ya omu di juma so.
How do you strengthen that institution? We have been making fit that institution.
Me pacho ba ene setie. Ye ka so obi enimdifo a. Enye sa wo beka wo haw na kire.
Ne ye be kire.
Ne mom be kire yen o haw no ene ne ayenya ye be frim. Me when you say somebody is expert, that's what I'm looking at. And when you tell me only the history about it, give me the detail. I don't want to know.
What's the solution?
What is the solution? Bring it up. Let's solve it.
And the solution here is
nobody can tell me say Ghana yentimi solve your problem. It is not true.
As of now, the constitution no stop from solving.
For doing what?
Yes, for implementing what you are saying.
And who put the constitution there? We got to change that constitution. And bogus, we have to change it. If the law is bogus, the citizen must be bold and we do what has to be done to change constitutions. Because Omanhene inquire there, in Chirimadia, Nanya to can say no, a send in Chirimabayo.
No, say Ghana.
A
review of our constitution.
Of course.
The Ghana for be a lawyer for Kukudamu. But who have the tenacity and the
you and I will have it. You and I will have it.
You listen to me, no.
You to me, no. We have it.
Her projects are Yakoji loans, Ebeye. So we call you loan no ba, no obesatia, party B. Na ofriswa on party A no obebano on one manifesto obeto project na so when they be claim
osemedia
na na ne mo mu nya sa ne mana wo mu ye wo mu dia say you make sure say ejai because I am wrong the
way the 15-16 million eligible voters Ghana no
na announce sa Omanhene no I then the brainwash you for them to change their mind.
That word brainwash by the empathy with your point. And a communist say.
Kumasi
airport.
Phase 1, phase 2. Chentokwa.
Adwumasinu ko a. Adwumasinu ko a.
Adwumasinu na me catch us say. Democracy a wo dey ba no. Yen Ghana for ye thinking. Eni eniema bi enemo
ebe change me say ebe change enu je na me na otia. Say ye ma educate public say be ya enema wo mu di mo.
Mama ni jamra say. Beno ya juma bi ni ja. Besawa baby food be aba. I relax baby food. Hey. And no na man see am kwala ho ye den. Kwala ho esipia sita. Na ho abofra babies no a. And then your man kwala ne ye no ho. I don't know my maybe was say a post COVID babies no dey. It's a COVID no na. Ebora obu na virus. Wo mo ho den. Besawa I relax baby food. Eba is serious. Formulated to meet your baby's nutritional needs. Abofra no nuane nuro ne niam a ohia woni paduam. Your varieties be to say rice with milk. Rice with banana. Milk for 4 months plus babies. Your wheat semolina honey. Your 7 cereals with fruits. And your rice with vegetables. 7 cereals with milk. Arilac, a lot of nutrients and a womb, vitamins. And my boyfriend in a what DCP, Nini nefu aefu, ne more nefu aefu, ne sin also fifia, and was so nantia, etimisro, a dinner Arilac baby food. Your Arimil bottle food, and also a pudding. Your rice pudding, egg custard, creamy porridge, 4 months plus babies. Open the door support to our way a Joywind Company Limited, a reputable company when it comes to food products. Your number is 0244 717 082 0244 717 082 and a 0501 150 912 0501 150 912. Nabibia the air coso. Divine Hope Heba yedi Ochia Heba powder bejaso. Mr. Uchanoa. What share goods you share one what shaking is one waist pains, ulcer, low libido, untuminya day and mojuma, unyatinka, sexual weakness. Nini nada be free wa bra wanya ochia herbal powder egunsum no one nom. Macro obusia crew junction inside the whole Kumasi building. Bomodina say over fresh 0591 565 557 0591 565 557 and a 0551 and your WhatsApp 228281 228281 Bomodin Nina Ochia Lessa Ghana Limited ye see Niema weekend ye see Niema Homache na no one say the yas and AC yas washing powder et and Tadian any kama and part Tadian Susweni and my own sound soon cham. I think and you love it.
Bibia mode babia na ya na me pese mia me hwe.
Okay.
Na yas ehwam.
Oh.
Ena ajaboaje chese. Wo di
na
sinya
Ghana
ma. Wo brekra.
Also I to say abrochire detergents na wo shegu ma no.
Na mpesa nka me video be kirew.
Wow.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Among for 2 seconds go mo toy yeah.
No. The yas washing powder. Toothpaste no whitening herbal paste no eyi wonu kama yin ka ni nyina onte pampan bia e ma no so de ma ho siesie ye sanitary pads no ane so anya ya sanitary pad e kwala nketo no oba no uyi na yi nyina wi a baby wipe no e ma nsa e moton kama fa ne to kama panty liner no so no oba wa sipia sita your best sima wa bunsu awie ni se keka ho you need a panty liner bomodena set toothbrushes no Duke, Duchess, Princess and Monarch no so obetobie uko jaswa Leicester Ghana Limited. We think about you and your hygiene. Number is 0501 390 337 0501 390 337 0244 596 943. Bomodin ewo ahinima kokobin kwaso oboase kwano so sanso so ena dum otumfo start no nchen obehu ye dey ewo ho na wako anima na ye twetwe enkomo ko na de wose ye de bre obia no so ye de aye dey abro 3A Herbal Center ye de the Cocoa Master Abejaso, 3 Eco capsules, a US space, piles, no, a share na ensa so ma yemun team. But modern so benya bi o Colinac, Danny Heba, Misty and Apidam, Fred 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Sankofa natural spices. No, I am pepper, ventia, a sorry, sir, for me, sir. Akekadro, getting kitty pepper, no, and the idea, who could just na utobi kofia, and my elbow nechill, and come out pressure and come out diabetes. Bomodin, Nejisankofa. I feel permission heba, Mr. Etiawa, and one to any permission heba, Mr. Malaria fever, no near dinner be free ho. Permission femike, sissy or bar, kama, yikaniditis, any menstrual disorders. Berryman so Emma Bema CPC, premature ejaculation, any severe waist pains, ni back pains, ni STIs, a free ho. 0532 667 334 0532 667 334 and a 0532 115268. Apoma mi konkoli oboase kwaso. Na mo ai mo tie ya no pay brahoma no so ni ntie wonso. Abeja fo akasa mpani afa adwene de na wo so ka 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning. 0551 931 931. Friend now so chere wadwene anopay na yenkoyanim. Okay, special birthday to Evelyn Kakari of Swami Fidelity from Sompa manager Tofiakwa of Sompa TV and FM. Evelyn Kakari of Fidelity Swami. And ne eyawawoda. Happy birthday to you. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Offer Kwesi Juma.
Asi free.
Make a self-print client.
My agent on Babasi.
Yo, Empenia Snap is maybe your bomb about so papa. Any Juma so more years, a didn't a ball my Ghana. Now, whether I may be so, Omanhene.
Yes.
I was just for on by our day. It's Ghana penny for almost any against a year. Also said to be a council of state. And if they now are my boy, a football and penny for level.
What about
Mr. Who do Mamma?
All right. Hello, good morning. 0548 931 931 and 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Nami ado moeni.
Yeah, that's all we do. So me kasati aka.
Mami tio.
Ya moka no mi sefa na Ghana you for no. We are brofo. So that's it. We are brofo pa NBC ni na we are bro. Because NBC is kwa enti go on to us. We is kwa we into us on. Sikana no mitugu. Omo ma mani ebe abuchi no mo de politics ni ba no. Abuchi no sa no mo yekana. Yes, we know the politics and Corneta. If you don't know, you share both of you.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Sompa FM.
Hello, what's wrong with the other line? 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
If
I'm paying for now, my
Oh, Kofi Gaza.
I'm paying for no matter to like me to my
Aye.
A very good Simba, who the crack of credit here. So, if it's Rabat was,
yo, Rabat was so bad. About to do almost one more time. Almost one more time. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello. Good morning. Mbato, your friend is Saturday in the Dodri.
Saturday, Casa.
You, my mamma Basota. Nakakra me to make Kenyan. Jati Kosi. Me, Mesren, in Camedia, in Cabeyanka, Govon Pinofo. Now in Sipom. Now, the American is answered. Who am I? Me, Yako to that. It means our judges are prosecutors and almost Bobby because Umutimika, any passment in the passment, that's a Ubo 3%. As a Timubedi bonnet.
bɔne na ti no ma na nso amokɔkɔbɔ moto aso kɔbɔ koro no ɔno emre pa no ba da contest no kuno na kana wɔno abenim sɛ wɔyɛ Canada ni sai Ghana ni it's not just about the two person obedi bɔne if they not qualify in this Supreme Court on carry dream parliament say one member of parliament that on transit if you what I could me resort to ye to abane simple kura so nya de onya ogokunya
nya de onya mami fa do chat. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Cho ha ni
ba so e from ko mi kasa sa
ogu kasa
e pa cho sim card no manya twemu ana
aya twemu
e no ma twemu na e be na se ye sakọ
kwaku ya twem but yes we call now registration o betimi am out the same number na emom eni ama na was on there
ye be wu
ani e wawu maso den kwaku na mama nya birthday we quickly na me ma bedwa 424 and wrap it up. The director human resource Confanochi Teaching Hospital and pastor of Assemblies of God CCC and na eyewa woda na wanyamfie adionum Reverend Tony Odro we every Confanochi Human Resource Department titru eno or say yemfa maw na yema utrimpa Reverend Tony Odro, today is your birthday and happy birthday.
Sompa FM.
Obia Free London. Oh, okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Pacho, why?
Yeah, my problem was Ghana. Adena, you chrono, Yanchere, Senia, Yakanokle. It's a perjury, is a very big thing in Europe here.
Yes, it's very dangerous, it's very criminal.
When you are doing application in the UK and you lie, you will be refused and you will never get your residence again in this country. So in Ghana, you have a former member of parliament who lies on his application and the court cannot even bar him from standing as a parliamentarian candidate. And that's how our law works in Ghana. That's the law works in Ghana. There are some loopholes for the hierarchies and there are loopholes for criminals. That's what I see in Ghana. Because crime is crime. This man committed a crime. And he still have the cheek to say he want to be a member of parliament. Does the law works?
All right. I'll bring you back from CIA. Your time. Mr. Waji, a quick one, a minute.
1 minute on Jechi question assembly. A Supreme Court no earlier High Court, Cape Coast High Court decision.
Ruled against you.
Ruled against you. Also say Supreme Court na you. Yam first sem no sorry and Supreme Court.
They went to Supreme Court.
It
was after you denied Assembly Supreme High Court kind.
What
and then the time called Supreme Court, the highest court of the for interpretation.
Into say no dear.
And yes, Supreme Court.
High Court decision. When I win more implemented. Also, court trash will be winning. No, how?
No, because Trana Watchon, I just said Supreme Court. But Cape Coast Court.
Who's what court to be almost say it's only a high court after listening to you and no bet me a catch us. High court was what you anyway you were. And now when I was say one penny, and now open Jaco.
Yeah, then I guess the
Supreme Court.
And to lawyer for no more or man trust had him to lawyer for no.
Abia means a lawyer and a manager.
Because at the end of the day, they went to Cape Coast High Court. And the Cape Coast High Court ruled said the election was null and void.
Now, meanwhile, you charge you with perjury. Send your weekend. You charge you with perjury. Yes, it would date here. Who is that date now? You're Ghanaian, so we winning.
Well,
I feel you're for you by me. Who they handle?
Yeah,
Katra me can say going forward, you know, Mom ya bemumbo. Catch a mini and or Casa Free London is Oma Brami. Na Yamajabu Ajamuntia says it is possible to change the mindset of Ghanaians.
All right.
Because for money or mind, we can't leave it. Things must change.
Takes over with full time. Stay with us. All you need to know about Sevilla and then Roma, Moreno, and all that there is this morning. I know.
5G.